Sanibonani, hello, hello. Sanibonani, hello, hello. Sanibonani, bangani. Ngiyanamukela eklasini lami. Kuyashisa, kuyashisa, kuyabanda, kuyabanda, kuyanetha, kuyanetha. Ngene endlini, ngene endlini. Kuyashisa, kuyashisa, kuyabanda, kuyabanda, kuyanetha, kuyanetha. Ngene endlini, ngene endlini. Namhlanje sizobe sifunda ngesimo sezulu. Today we are going to be learning about the weather. Wozani sizofunda. Sunny. Libalele. Libalele. Sunny. Today it is sunny. Namhlanje kubalele. Sunny kubalele. It is sunny. Today namhlanje kubalele. Today it is sunny. Kunomoya. It is windy. 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 Kunomoya. Kunomoya. Windy. It is windy outside. Ngaphandle kunomoya. Ngaphandle kunomoya. It is windy outside. Kuyana or kuyanetha. It is raining. Kuyana or kuyanetha. It is raining. Rain. Imvula. Rain. Imvula. It is raining. Kuyana or kuyanetha. It is raining. Kuyanetha. Today it is raining. Namhlanje kuyanetha. Kuyanetha. Cloudy. Cloudy. Kuguqubele. Cloudy. Kuguqubele. Cloudy. Kuguqubele. Namhlanje kuguqubele. Today it is cloudy. Namhlanje kuguqubele. Today it is cloudy. Thunder kuyaduma. Thunder kuyaduma. Today it is thundering. Liyaduma izulu namhlanje. Today it is thundering. Liyaduma izulu namhlanje. Kunjani namhlanje? Namhlanje kuyashisa. How is it like today? Today it is hot. Well done. How is it like now? Kunjani ke manje? Today it is cloudy. Namhlanje kuguqubele. Beautiful, well done. Beautiful, yes. Namhlanje liyaduma. Today it is thundering. Yebo, namhlanje kuyanetha. Namhlanje kuyanetha. Today it is raining. And then Yebo, namhlanje kunomoya. Namhlanje kunomoya. Well done. Namhlanje sifunde ngezimo zezulu ezihlukahlukene. Usuyazi ukuthi kunjani mekushisa, usuyazi ukuthi kunjani mekunetha, usuyazi ukuthi kunjani meliguqubele. So now you know how it's like when it's hot, now you know how it's like when it's windy, now you know how it's like when it's cloudy. Today we learned about different kinds of weather. Namhlanje sifunde ngezimo zezulu ezihlukahlukene. Ngijabulile ukuba nani eklasini lami. Ngiyathemba ukuthi ngizonibona ngokulandelayo. Nisale kahle bangani.